This video focuses on using Siri Voice Commands to get college football information quickly with your iPhone or iPad. To start with asking Siri, use the voice command "Hey Siri" or press and hold the side button to activate Siri. Once Siri is activated, ask for specific information about college football. You can ask Siri about game schedule, team ranking, team statistics, or even games from the distant past. Here are the few commands that you can try out.
Hey Siri. Show the college football schedule.
There are 37 college football games through Saturday. Virginia is beating Miami 9-0, with 9 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Iowa takes on Maryland tomorrow at 8 p.m. BYU faces Utah State tomorrow at 9 p.m. Tennessee takes on Missouri on Saturday at noon. Texas plays TCU on Saturday at noon. Do you want to hear the next 5 games?
Yes.
Charlotte faces Illinois on Saturday at noon. Michigan meets Wisconsin on Saturday at noon. Arkansas plays Georgia on Saturday at noon.
You can interrupt Siri by tapping the animation at the bottom.
Hey Siri. How did Maryland do in the previous game?
Maryland crushed Kent State by a score of 37-16 last Saturday.
What college football games are on today?
Virginia is ahead of Miami 25-14, with 6 minutes to go in the third quarter.
Get me college football rankings.
These are the rankings for college football from the current season, published last Sunday.
To ask Siri again, use the voice command "Hey Siri" or tap the animation at the bottom.
When is the next game for Maryland?
Maryland plays Iowa at 8 p.m.
What team is number 1 in college football?
So far, Alabama is in first place in college football with a record of 4-0.
What is Cincinnati ranked in football?
Which league? College football or NFL? Cincinnati is ranked 7th in the AP.
What is Michigan ranked in football?
Michigan is ranked 14th in the AP.
Get the roster for Alabama football.
Okay, this is the roster for Alabama.
Get the top-ranked players in college football.
Here's what I found.
For many queries, Siri can give direct answers, or it will give links to websites.
Who is the number 1 ranked player in college football?
Here's what I found.
Where is the next game for Maryland?
The Maryland-Ohio State game is at Ohio Stadium in Columbus, Ohio.
Where is the next game for Alabama?
The Alabama-Texas A&M game is at Kyle Field in College Station, Texas.
Which quarterback has the most passing yards in college football?
Brennan Armstrong of Virginia leads college football with 1,973 passing yards this season.
You can get a lot of such information on college football with voice commands using Siri. It's very convenient to get live scores, game schedules, team performance, players' performance, and many other stats without using your keyboard from anywhere. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.